A well-designed Shopify store attracts visitors, but reviews are what actually convert them. Because today's shoppers don't just take your word for it, they look for real customer experiences before making a decision. Hi, I'm Tina, marketing evangelist and brand spokesperson at Taggbox. At Taggbox, we help brands turn authentic customer content into trust and engagement. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to embed Google reviews on your Shopify store in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Get started with Shopify. Go to shopify.com and log into your store. Step 2. Install Taggbox Shoppable Social UGC app. Once you land on your Shopify dashboard, head to the search bar or App Store. Search for Taggbox and install the app. Click on Install, open it, and you'll be redirected to your Taggbox Shoppable Social UGC dashboard. Step 3. Connect Google Reviews. Inside the dashboard, you'll see the onboarding screen. Choose Google Reviews as your source. Search for your business or location and connect it. Step 4. Customize your widget. Click on the Customize and Publish tab. Now you can personalize your Google Review widget by choosing themes, layouts, card styles, fonts, and CTAs that align with your brand. Step 5. Publish and generate code. Once you're done with this, click Generate Code and choose your gallery type as homepage and landing page or product page galleries for your channel, and you're done. Step 6. Add to Shopify store. Paste the generated code into your selected section, like your product page or homepage. Save it and you're done. Your Google Review widget is now live on your Shopify store.